Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is our weekly check-in. It is the first weekly check-in for the month of August. Can you believe that it's already August, you guys? Like, this year has flown by, no joke. So before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below because I would love to get to know you guys. And if you have a channel, let me know because I would love to go and support you also. So this week we did a lot better because we did go back to work, you guys, so I'm not at the store every single day. But the dates are going to run from July 30th all the way until August 5th. So the reason why I just wrote in on the 30th, it was like a little bit faded, so I just, bolded in with my pen, and the pen I'm using is the Z Grip. The link will be down below. Absolutely love this. It just writes so smoothly for my own opinion, you guys. But anyway, so I wrote down the 30th and 31st just so we don't have to flip back and forth and everything. So, and the kit that I'm using is from Tempest XOXO Designs, and this is actually a extra washi tape and kits and everything that she did send me way long time ago, and I'm trying to use it up before I order some more stuff, which I can't wait to get the marble kit because that looks perfection. But all of her stuff is down below also. All right, so let's just get started. Now we're going to do our nose spins as always first. So we have, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nose spins, which is awesome. So the first nose spin is on the 30th. Next one is on the 1st, the 3rd, and then on the 5th. So those are the 4 nose spins that we have this week: the 30th, the 1st, 3rd, and the 5th. All right, so we are just going to get started, and I'm just going to zoom y'all in just a little bit so y'all can see better. So on Friday on the 31st, we went grocery shopping as always. So I spent $17 on groceries. And then I bought a Christmas dress that we are actually going to put flower girl for our niece to be our flower girl for next year at our wedding. And so we're just going to put some vinyl and stuff on her dress. And it's unicorn, tulle and stuff. It's super cute. It's going to be super fun to give that to her. So we got a Christmas t-shirt, and that was $5, which it can't be that. It was on clearance, you guys, from $10, I think. So $5. And then we had a surprise taco party for Jared. His birthday was on the 30th. So we had steak and potatoes and just a little get together. And it wasn't a surprise or anything. He knew what he was getting. And then on Saturday, we had a surprise taco party where his family came over and his uncle that we haven't seen in months came over from Florida, and it was just really cool. He was surprised. We had a piñata. We made a unicorn cake. It was great, you guys. Absolutely loved it, and he enjoyed it also. But we did go, I used my cushion, and on that same Friday, we did go, me and the sister-in-laws, future sister-in-laws, we went grocery shopping for the taco party, and I spent $30 of my debit card, so that was taken out. And yeah, and then Saturday was our taco party. We didn't do anything because we didn't pay for anything because we already bought everything. All right, moving on to the 2nd. We went to the mall. I found some t-shirts and everything for Christmas for a couple of people. So that was $13 that I spent. So it wasn't bad either because I think it was it was just 2 shirts. So not bad at all. It was $6 a piece. So $13 with taxes. All right, and then we got gas. So gas was $10. Been trying not to spend a lot of money on gas, but God, it is steadily going up. I think it's at $2 now. I believe it's at $2 right now. It was $1.95 and then $1.99. So it's fluctuating back and forth in that. So let me know how much your gas is in y'all's state. All right, the 3rd was a no spin, and then the 4th, I was at work and they finally opened the gift shop after like 4 months. Absolutely love the lady that's there. So I always go visit her and I try not to spend. And she's always like, come on, you can go buy something. You can buy something, you know. But she's so fun to visit and I absolutely love her. But I did spend $1 on my fun money and I got a piece of candy. So that was $1 and I was craving a sweet tooth. I always have a sweet tooth. So I spent $1 on a piece of candy and, you know, that's fine. You know, got to keep the gift shop running so it won't close for any other reason besides like the virus and everything else. And then also I had to go and run to Michael's when I got off and I picked up a t-shirt. So the t-shirt was $7. I had to pick up 2 just in case I mess up. It's for an order. And I didn't have my design, my KK's Thrifty Design envelope that had all of the business cash that we use to buy our shirts and everything. So I just used my debit card. It's fine. I mean, I took the money out of the envelope and gave it to myself. So that was $7. And then that is it. And then Wednesday was a no spend. So that was awesome. So this is our overview once again. We're just going to zoom y'all out. All right, so Thursday on the 30th was a no spend. Friday the 31st was Walmart for $17. Christmas dress was $5. And then a taco party was $30. A no spend on Saturday. And then Sunday was a Christmas shopping for $13. Gas was $10. The 3rd was a no spend. The 4th was a piece of candy for $1. And then some t-shirts for our business was $7. And then on the 5th was a no spend. So we are going to flip over to our cash envelopes. And we are just going to write down how much we spent. So $17. And I'm just going to zoom y'all in once again. Gas was $10, so we should have $20 left. Fun money, we have $1, so we should have $2 left. Cushion, we spent, oh, I don't know, let's see. Cushion, we spent $30 plus $7, yeah, $30 plus $7 was $37. So we should have $5 left, which is great because we do get paid this Friday. And then sinking funds, we spent, let's see, $5 on a Christmas and then 13, so 13 plus 5, so that was $18. So then we have, oops, $1,101 minus 18. So that is $1,083 is how much we have left. And then groceries, 80 minus 17 equals to $63. So that is awesome, you guys. All right, so a recap just before we go and make sure that all of our money is in check. So groceries, we spent $17 and have a remaining of $63. Gas, we spent $10 and have a remaining of $20. Fun money, we spent $1 and have a remaining of $2. Cushion, we spent $37 and have a remaining of $5. And then sinking funds, we spent $18 and have a remaining of $1,083. All right, you guys, so let's just move that aside and then get our Dave Ramsey. I really do need, I know I always tell him, I need to make some envelopes. I need to make some envelopes. I need to, like, you know, take time and everything. So as you know, my groceries for right now, since we do go to Walmart and we use self-checkout, they are all doing debit cards and everything. So we are keeping our grocery money on our debit cards. Gas, we should have $20 left. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then fun money, we'll have $2 left, so that's $2. And that is it, you guys. I hope y'all have a great week, and let me know how you are doing this week and what y'all are doing this weekend also. And then be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys on Saturday for a paycheck video. So we are doing our cash envelopes. We're stuffing that. We are stuffing our sinking funds, and we are also budgeting all of our bills, so you will know where all of my money is going to be going. And I cannot wait to see you guys. And yeah, so y'all have a great rest of the week and the weekend, and I will see you guys on Saturday. Bye.